Welcome friends in Money for Me Stock Market Educational Hub. Today we will see again Nifty and Bank Nifty intraday analysis. Today is Monday 12th October. So we will see analysis for 12th October. So guys, if we see, Nifty is in a good rally, but here due to India-China news crisis, border crisis, Nifty has fallen till its 200 DMA. If we see, Nifty has taken support from its 200 DMA and given a bounce back, exact sharp rally, okay, and broken back to back two resistances. Here is one, and this one is second one. So now these two resistances are supports, and if you see, there is next resistance is around here 12,250. okay, but I think this rally has happened, so I am expecting a correction. Okay, so this is the daily chart. Now we will go on a hourly chart. So here is hourly chart. Trend is sharp up, higher high, higher low. If I will click on line chart, so you can see here higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, sharp up trend. So today if Nifty will come down around 11,800, so near this support we can take buy call on based on confirmation. Okay, otherwise previous day high, here is a previous day high. Previous day means last trading session. If Nifty cross this previous day's top and close above with good volume, so we can take buy call for the target of 12,000 or 12,000 plus. Okay, and can draw one small trend line from this, like this. So depends on vice versa. We have to wait for confirmations whether it is near support, so then we will take a buy call. If it will break a resistance, so we will take a again buy call. And right now it is near a resistance, so we can take sell call, but it is risky because trend is totally in a uptrend. And if we will see in a 15 minutes, so you can see here is a bullish triangle, zigzag zigzag, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Okay, now we will see Bank Nifty chart. This is the daily chart of Bank Nifty. Again here is a sharp fall and sharp rally. You can see V, sharp valley. So clear cut reversal in a Bank Nifty again. And from where? No any DMA support. Okay. And right now current closing is near a 200 DMA. So we have to wait for breakout. So we can say that Nifty Bank is trading near a resistance, that is 200 DMA resistance. And again if it will cross this resistance, so here is a again as per chart resistance, that is around 24,500. okay, so again we have to wait for a confirmation. So on daily chart there is a resistance, back to back two resistances. Now we will come on a hourly chart. Hourly chart, trend is up. Where is the support? So here is a small support, here is a small support. Okay, and trend is up. Is there any resistance? Here is a hourly resistance here. Okay, that is around 24,100. So again same criteria, we have to wait for confirmation whether it is near support or near resistance. We can take a sell call near a resistance, otherwise we can take a buy call near a support. Depends on market situation. If market will come near support and at that time global markets is in a red, so we have to wait for breakdown to support. That time we will not take a buy call, and vice versa. If market comes near a resistance and at that time global market is very bullish, so that time we will wait for a breakout to that resistance and then we will take a buy call. Intraday it is not based on only charts. We have to see parallelly news also. We have to track dependency of markets. Here is a small trend line. Trend is sharp, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So trend is good, but if we see both charts, Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty, so if market is bullish, so that time I will prefer Nifty 50 for a buy side, and if market will be bearish, so that time I will prefer to short Bank Nifty, because Bank Nifty is near a resistance on a daily chart, that is 200 DMA. Okay friends, bye bye. I hope you will like this video, so please like, share and subscribe with your friends. Bye bye. Have a great day. Trade less but perfect.